Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to another Kayla's Curls video. As you guys can see, I did a Euphoria inspired makeup look. So if you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. So one thing I want to mention about this palette is I love how easy it is to blend out the shades. So definitely an A++ for Huda Beauty. Let me know in the comments section what you guys think about this look. Did I pass the vibe checks? Yes or no? I think it looks good so far. Just how I expected it to be. Let's go ahead and finish off this makeup look. Nice and dramatic. I am loving it. You guys tell me what you think in the comments. So far, I feel like I'm passing the vibe check and it's coming exactly how I pictured it. So now I'm going to go in with this purple shade here and I'm going to go ahead and pop this on the waterline. Alright you guys, so this is basically the end of this video. Tell me what you guys think about this makeup look. I would love to know your thoughts and what you guys think. Make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up if you did enjoy this video, and make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below as well as the notifications bell so you'll be notified every single time that I, Kayla's Curls, uploads here on YouTube. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this Euphoria inspired makeup look, because I had so much fun and definitely stepped outside of my comfort zone with makeup with this look. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, and I'll check you guys out in the next Kayla's Curls video. Bye guys.